Hello everyone, I am Dr. Eric Morrison. This is 7 Under 3, and I'll be covering trading education, more specifically Forex swing trading, using the TC2000 platform. Hello, this is the Forex Week in Review on the 2nd of July at 4 p.m. Central Time. I'm going to start off the Aussie Dollar, Canadian Dollar, and our first initial week on Sunday. We have a red candle, Heikin-Ashi, green candle, no trade here, Heikin-Ashi above and green, and initial order here for a nice gain for 1, 2, 3 punch out. No further trade the rest of the week. Aussie Dollar, Swiss franc, no trade here, price action candle below the RL10. Initial trade here for out for a loss, and then another trade here out for another loss here. Aussie Dollar, Japanese Yen, no trade here, but a nice 1, 2, 3 punch out. No further trade the rest of the week. Aussie Dollar, New Zealand Dollar, initial trade here for a loss. No trade here, red Heikin-Ashi. Initial trade here, out for a nice 1, 2 on the RL90 for a good trade. Aussie Dollar, US Dollar, initial trade here for a 1, 2, 3 punch out. Canadian Dollar, Swiss franc, nice 1, 2 out at the RL90 for it. No trade here for the rest of the week. Canadian Dollar, Japanese Yen, nice 1, 2, 3 punch out. No trade here for the Thursday, Friday trade. Swiss franc, Japanese Yen, nice 1, 2, 3 out. No further trade the rest of the week. Your Aussie Dollar, so in the previous week, nice 1, 2 out at the RL90. Initial trade here with a stop at the RL90, 1 indicator away for a loss on Friday. Euro Canadian Dollar, initial trade here for a 1, 2 out, the RL90, quick out. Initial trade here, 1 indicator away for a loss here on this trade. No further trade the rest of the week. Euro British Pound, initial trade here for a 1, 2 out at the RL90. 1 initial trade here, out, 1 indicator away at the RL10. No further trade. Heikin-Ashi below the RL10. Euro Japanese Yen, nice 1, 2, 3 punch out. Initial trade here, out for a loss on Friday. Euro New Zealand, initial trade here, out for a loss. Initial trade here, above the RL90, out for a loss on Wednesday. Initial trade here, out for a loss on Friday. Euro US Dollar, nice 1, 2, 3 punch out. British Pound, Aussie Dollar, first initial trade, out the RL90, and then another trade for 1, 2, 3 out on Wednesday. No further trade the rest of the week. British Pound, Canadian Dollar, no trade. Initial trade here, another trade here, out for a small loss on Wednesday. No further trade the rest of the week. British Pound, Swiss franc, no trade here, and no trade here. We had a Greystone Doji. Price came up above. An initial trade here, out for a loss here. No further trade the rest of the week. British Pound, Japanese Yen. Initial trade here, out for a loss here. Initial trade here, out for a loss here. British Pound, New Zealand Dollar was a continuation from the previous week. Initial trade here, out for break even plus dinner for 2. This was a doji. He did trade this. I did not, as I couldn't tell if this was red or green on the Heikin-Ashi. Price actions to the downside, momentums to the downside on the 1030. If you did trade this, we're out for a loss here, the RL10. British Pound, US Dollar, looks like a collapsing dragon. No trade there. Initial 1, 2, 3. Great trade. New Zealand Canadian Dollar, another great trade. 1, 2 out here at the RL90. No further trade the rest of the week. This on Sunday was initial trade here, out for a loss here. New Zealand Swiss franc had initial trade here, out at the RL90. Another initial trade here, out at the RL90. So good, some quick outs before it consolidated again. New Zealand Japanese Yen, initial 1, 2, 3 punch out. Great trade. No further trade the rest of the week. New Zealand US Dollar, 1, 2, 3 punch out. Great trade. Looks like another potential collapsing dragon. This came up. We'll see if it continues with the price action there. US Dollar, Canadian Dollar. This was Sunday, no trade. Initial trade here for 1, 2, 3 punch out. US Dollar, Swiss franc, no trade here. Initial 1, 2, 3 punch out. Japanese Yen. This was Sunday, out for a loss here. The high. Initial 1, 2. And the Z3 excursion here. This dip wasn't much of an excursion here, but either one did pick the Z3 excursion here for a nice 1, 2 out for Friday. Friday's out. Silver bounce on the 200. Looks like it's going to retest the high here, the RL270. Same thing with gold. A nice hovering around the RL270. Could go up there with 200. Well, folks, that's all I have for the Forex Week in Review. We're currently conducting a Forex Bootcamp and a Forex Intermediate course. If you're interested, click on the link below. And remember, ruthless risk management. Have a great weekend, everyone. Happy 4th of July. Happy trading. Well, if you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button below and the subscribe button And if you want more information on TC2000, I have an affiliate link below. If you open up a TC2000 account, you will receive a $25 discount using that link. Thank you for your time.